happiest birthday, Sir Arby.
Happy birthday, Sir Arby. May your special day be filled with joy, peace, and blessings from the Lord. Thank you for being an inspiration through your dedication, kindness, and leadership. Wishing you good health, wisdom, and continued success in all that you do. Enjoy your day. You truly deserve to be celebrated. Happy birthday! Good day, Sir Arby. Happy birthday to you. From Grade 5 family. May you stay healthy, wealthy, and wise every day. God bless you. Active, resourceful, brilliant, incredible, enthusiastic. You're active, resourceful, brilliant, incredible, enthusiastic. You're active, resourceful, brilliant, incredible, enthusiastic. You're active, resourceful, brilliant, incredible, enthusiastic. Happy birthday, Sir Arby! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. A, amazing. R, reliable. B, brilliant. I, inspiring. E, exceptional. Happy birthday, Sir Arby. Wishing you more blessings, joy, and good health always. God bless! Today's your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy, more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. Think of the faces of your lovely teachers, singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sir. We are here to greet you on your natal day. We are here to sing you a birthday round the day. It's a happy birthday, and we're happy too. Now sing with all our hearts, because we love you so. Happy birthday, Sir Arby, from Team Uno! Happy birthday, Sir Arby! Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all your favorite things. May this year bring you joy, success, and unforgettable moments. Happy birthday, sir, from Kinder Family!
Mais três ela mama, então nós bota nela. O bonde chegou, as predadores perereca, sapeca, pepeca, divide essa tcheca, vai sentar com força.